Welcome back to Anything Outdoors with Steve. We've got Grant. Grant is joining on this.
I'm tagging along.
I'm tagging along with Grant on a Lookout Tower adventure. Hopefully we can make it up there. Oh, and we're stuck.
We're stuck.
All right, Grant, do you have any big news for us?
Yes.
For all of internet to know, Grant has some major news. We're stuck.
We're stuck. I think we got it.
That's it?
All right, we got it.
I probably should have shoveled the driveway.
Nah, it'll rain in a sec. Just gonna throw this on here like so.
Like so.
And that's how you do it.
That's how it is. You can tell by the way it is. I like that little top hook. That's kind of nice.
Pretty neat.
That is pretty neat.
And these are actually way wider than the you should have on this ski, but that's fine.
Huh.
Good surface
Don't have
area.
to worry about the edges catching now.
I need to grab some new ones. Specific for the ski, or either trim these down.
All right, here we go. This is what it looks like. That's what Grant looks like. We'll see who the big loser is. It'll be me. I am exerting quite a bit of energy, but I'm hands-free, except for hiking poles and a camera. And I'm not having a bunch of weight on my back, but it is pulling me backwards. So right now I've just got the rope around my hips and I can feel it in my lower back. This will be a heck of a workout. We're a couple hundred feet in now, maybe 4 or 5. Now I'll have to slow my pace so I don't get tired. Little spot of blue sky.
I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 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 'Cause I don't keep
This is the best hike ever. Grant's doing all the work for me. I like it. Just to get to run video equipment. All right, get that gear to the top for me. Kind of forgot it goes uphill. But man, look at that. Piece of cake, he says. Log traverse. Didn't even lose his glove. As you can tell, the snow's about 8 to 10 now. I'm still not in snowshoes because I'm not breaking through just yet. Spoke too soon. Because I always tend to click, click. All right, we've got some uphill. Let's see how this over the shoulder strap works on an uphill. Snowshoes have better traction, so I'm doing good there. I'm not slipping backwards. So yeah, I think over the shoulder is the win. Learning. I think on the hip it's just too much pressure for my lower back. Still a lot of weight.
I am recording.
Great. Good time.
Walking back up the trail, the lookout area. Oh, snowballs. They fall from the skither. We're on this little side jaunt here. We've gained about 1,500 feet thus far, but we left our gear at some other spot for these views. Which aren't too bad.
Not too bad. It's a good little break spot.
Not too bad, says Steve himself.
Yeah. And since it's outdoors and I'm anything,
Then it's anything
I
outdoors
approve.
with.
I approve.
Steve approves this message.
I do approve this message. Doesn't have singing and jingle bells and whatnot. No hills are alive. I approve. Okay. There we go. I just have this tied over whatever the low side of the hill is. I'm putting over the shoulder, high shoulder, to try and help guide it back on. I don't think it'll help. Let's see here. I think it'll still spit out. Yep, there she goes. This tree will help. There we go. Did I lose anything? Nope. We're entering the cloud level now. We still have a ways to go. A lot of switchbacks. Still going. Grant the hiking machine is way up there now because I stopped for half a second. This somewhat shows what we're working with. Man, that wind, that is brutal.
This is luxury. This is so nice.
By comparison, yeah.
Have a shelter like this instead of a tent or a hammock.
Yeah, so we were gonna put up our tent and hammock down at the tree line, but the wind is blowing so hard. We'll get some more light. There we go. The wind is blowing so hard that I don't think we'd survive the night without some major better preparations than what we. All right, wanna go for it?
Right now? Okay.
Let's see if it works. It'll either work or not.
Oh, it's already recording.
Yeah, of course.
All right.
Crawling out.
I'm going outside of the lookout. Oh. And I have to crawl out. But we have this nice, beautiful shelter here. You'll see it in just a moment. We got here around 11 p.m. local time. And look at this thing. Just magnificent. Covered in ice. We had to dig it out when we got here. And we're very thankful we can get inside. Because the wind's just howling up here and I'm getting cold just sitting here. Or standing here, I guess. So I'm gonna go back in and get warm. But it is howling and ripping up here. And there's tons of snow and ice.
There's still, you know, empty the bladder and all.
We have bottles.
That's true. All right.
Throw it out in the morning. All right, let's see if we can get ice.
Yes. Wow.
Again, nice.
Yeah.
That takes dedication.
Wow. That was probably right up there with one of the roughest hikes.
Yeah. I knew it wasn't gonna be easy peasy.
Well, I mean, I've done this hike before and
But not in the winter.
not like this, yeah.
It's 3 or 4 times harder.
That other structure is completely buried.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah, I forgot you even.
Yes.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. Let's see here. There we go. Get a little height. Up.
Nice.
Yeah.
This is fun.
There we go. We're gonna start cooking up. We're gonna start cooking up some food.
Yes.
Woo, yeah. I'm just doing this for heat.
Are you really chilled still?
Oh yeah, I'm cold now.
Oh, shoot.
It's okay.
Well, we're good
We'll get
now.
it warm.
Yeah.
We're good now.
Do you have any
We're not
dry-
gonna die at least.
Do you have some dry clothes?
Yes.
Okay.
And these will dry out fast too.
Yeah.
Okay, there's my.
Yeah, I have
Yeah.
a stove and
Hammock.
stuff too if we need more.
Oh yeah. Now the question is water.
Oh, you want me to just stick it
I
outside?
might just have a thawed enough water bottle.
I don't have much left, but I have just a tad. I'm a little bit surprised it got me here.
Everything I have is just so full of snow. It's crazy. Okay. Oh yeah, this will work.
Okay.
We're gonna get some food going because we are hungry.
That'll help us warm up a bit.
Oh my gosh, yes.
At some point before bed, I'll definitely be changing into dry clothes.
exhausted.
Mm-hmm. It's good.
Smooth operator.
Smooth operator. Take that and get that out.
Mm-hmm.
All right, it's morning, and I am standing in the front of our front porch right now on the lookout. And I just got out, and this is what I'm welcomed by. Slept in pretty late, so it's about close to 9:30 a.m. local time here in Montana. But this is just absolutely stunning. I've climbed many a peak before, some in the winter, and every time I'm just in absolute awe. It is just absolutely incredible. The good news is I'm currently not in the wind, but the moment I go past this door here, it's actually a little breezy out. But let's continue down and look in the front. You could probably hear the breeze already as we rounded the corner. But this is what kept us alive last night, this lookout tower. We didn't have too much digging to do, less than I thought we would have to get into it. But we just had a little bit of de-icing and snow digging, just enough to make it fun. At about 11 p.m. when we rolled in last night, wind was howling, snow was flying, but this is absolutely stunning. So this way we're looking toward, that's Lake Ponderay, right over there, down in the valley. And this is looking towards Squaw Peak. I don't think you can see the actual peak right now, it's a little bit clouded in. And this is looking north toward, I believe that's Bullhead Lake. And then over here is the higher cabinets, which has like Snowshoe Peak. It's just a little clouded in, so I can't see a whole lot. And let's see what the front side looks like. The wind's definitely not nearly as bad as it was last night. It's beautiful. This is looking down the valley at Trout Creek area. And down here is like the Noxon Heron area. And the trees up here are just pure white. Just stunning. Here's Steve putting his heavy pack on as we depart in the snowstorm.
Heavy. Seems like a couple pounds.
That takes half the day's energy right there
Yeah.
to get it on.
And then to go get your gloves afterwards.
Yeah.
Down there.
Oh, nice.
Noise. Some of that snow structure on that building.
Beautiful.
It is.
Well, this has been a great little shack to stay in. It kept us warm and dry. Warmish and dry.
Warmer than what it would be staying out here.
Yes.
By far. Can't even see our tracks from last night. It's crazy. Twisted mess.
Yeah. I think we came in by that
Yeah,
tree right there.
I know our tracks are gone.
Well, we came in up there, but
Yeah.
so, do you want to go down there and get me coming down
Sure. Oh, yeah.
the tree line?
I can't sleep, yeah. Only miss you when I'm breathing in too deep, yeah. Am I just your little secret? I didn't hear the sirens. I didn't wanna see the warning signs, and now I pay the price, yeah. Oh, I should've known. It hits me like a tidal wave every time you say my name. It hits me like a tidal wave. It hits me like a tidal wave. A tidal wave. Tidal wave. Tidal wave. Tidal wave. I was so blind, waiting patient on the shoreline. Now you're leaving, but I know you got your reasons too. I didn't hear the sirens. I didn't wanna see the warning signs, and now I pay the price, yeah. Oh, I should've known. It hits me like a tidal wave every time you say my name. It hits me like a tidal wave. It hits me like a tidal wave. A tidal wave. Tidal wave. Tidal wave. Tidal wave.
3, 2, 1, go.